Okay, we'll bring the tool rest up. Alright, I use a 1/4-inch detail gouge. Kind of face things off. Be sure and get that nib in the center. Then we're going to start in going deep. And then we're going to come out and round that. And as you can see, we're just going to round that off. Nice and easy. Then I come and just kind of start the edge. Back in. Then after I get it started, I'll come in with just a parting tool. And a lot of times I'll come out here and make it kind of thick, and then I can use just this very side tip of the parting tool and grab that flower, and there's the flower. We've got our little dimple in the center and cut off on the back. I'll take my little knife and trim that off a little bit, and now we're off to the scroll saw. We'll start out with a disc, and I just start in here and cut into the center a little bit, flip it, cut out here, start on the next petal, cut into the center, flip it and come out. And we're just going to do this all the way around. Pretty easy. If you get the little bud in the center a little bit too high, now here I just kind of divide the last one. And there you go, there's your little flower. Do another one here. Since I've got a notch there, I'm going to go ahead and take that out. They don't have to be exact. Flower petals aren't exact. And we're just, as you can see, we're just cutting in there a little ways. Just enough to give it that petal effect. And like I say, the last one we're just going to divide. And there's another flower. And see, so what if one's a little bigger than the other? They still look like good flowers. And we just start out with our little disc like this and just start cutting away. That's all there is to it.